This video is part of the ECRES Secretariat training series. In Module 3, Expression of Interest, you'll learn how to initiate, review, and manage EOIs, evaluate applicants, and assign tasks efficiently within the system. On the Secretariat main dashboard, you'll see quick links to each major module, including expert profiles, expressions of interest, and postings. For this module, we'll focus on the EOI Dashboard. You can access the EOI Dashboard in two ways: by clicking the quick link labeled Expression of Interest on the main Secretariat dashboard. Or you can access it from the top navigation menu, under Expression of Interest, then EOI Dashboard. Both options take you to the same EOI dashboard, giving you a clear overview of all EOIs in the system. The dashboard provides a snapshot of EOIs by status: draft, EOIs being prepared and not yet submitted. Under Review, EOIs awaiting evaluation by Secretariat staff. Active, EOIs currently published and available for experts to respond. Closed, EOIs currently published and available for experts who possess specific set qualifications to respond. Each status is displayed as a tile with the number of EOIs in that category. By clicking More Info, you can view the details of EOIs under that status. The dashboard also includes powerful tools for managing your EOIs: advanced search, filter EOIs using detailed criteria, export, download EOI records for reporting or offline review. Next, we'll guide you through the EOI initiation process, showing how to draft a new EOI, submit it for review, and move it through to active status. Now, let's initiate a new expression of interest. From the top navigation bar, click on the Expression of Interest section, and then select EOI Request from the drop-down. You'll see four options: Posting of EOI, Under Review, Ongoing, and Closed. To start, click on Posting of EOI. This opens a new tab with an option to initiate expression of interest posting. Click it, and you'll be guided through 7 steps. Step 1 is to enter the general information about the EOI. Step 2 covers the scope of work and deliverables. Step 3 is for eligibility criteria and required work experience. Step 4 covers educational qualifications. Step 5 is for language proficiency. Step 6 is for the documents that experts are required to submit. This ensures you receive all necessary materials from applicants. Step 7 is for supporting documents from the Secretariat. These are optional documents that provide additional information to help experts understand the EOI. Once all 7 steps are complete, go to the final page under EOI Posting Targets. Here, select the status you want the EOI to be posted in. Open makes it accessible to all experts, Closed allows access only based on specific criteria, and Restricted limits it to selected experts. After choosing the status, submit the EOI. The system will confirm that it is now saved in draft status. You can then return to the EOI dashboard, where the new entry will appear in the draft section, the same dashboard we reviewed earlier. When ready, the EOI can be submitted for review. Once submitted, it automatically moves to the Under Review tab, which you can access by clicking the corresponding tile. At this stage, ensure all details are accurate. Normally, this step is handled by a different reviewer for efficiency, but in our case, we will complete the review ourselves. Track the EOI by its reference number, carefully review the details, and once everything is correct, submit the EOI. Once submitted, the EOI moves to the Active tab. You can click the More Info button to see more details and also preview. At this point, it becomes visible to all system users, and experts can submit their applications within the specified timeframe. After the deadline passes, the system will automatically make the EOI inactive for application. This completes the posting and publication process, making the EOI accessible to the public and ready for expert applications. Now that EOIs have been posted and are visible to experts, we move on to evaluating applications and managing appointments. From the top navigation, click on Expression of Interest, then select EOI Evaluation and Appointment Dashboard. This dashboard gives you an overview of all ongoing evaluations, applications currently under review, and those awaiting appointment. It acts as a shortcut to track the progress of each EOI. To initiate an evaluation, go to Expression of Interest, then Evaluations and Appointment, and click Initiate EOI Evaluation. This opens the EOI details, starting with general information. On the second page, you will find the list of applicants, where you can review each application. For already reviewed applications, you can view the details or the awarded marks, as shown in the first row. To begin a new evaluation, click Application Evaluation. A page will appear showing the applicant's profile and credentials against the EOI requirements. Use the drop-down to expand and review each section. Next, add your scoring grades, provide a recommendation and conclusion, for example, applicant is eligible for appointment. Once saved, complete the process by clicking Completion and Declaration. Here, you will enter details such as the closing date and the evaluation team. Once the evaluation is complete, the appointment moves to the In Review tab. Here, the second reviewer validates the recommendation made by the first reviewer, checks the selected expert's details, adds remarks, and provides the final approval. After the second review, the process is concluded, and the expert's status is updated as either accepted or rejected. Experts can view their status directly in the system. You can also view all experts who have been successfully appointed under the Appointed Experts section, accessible from the main EOI drop-down. Secretariat staff are able to print letters of appointment directly from this section. This completes the EOI evaluation and appointment workflow, from active applications, through dual review, to final appointments. Next, we move on to the task assignment and assessment module.